Ah, yes, siblings. Those annoying turds you have to live with simply because you're related to them. But out of all the annoying things siblings do the most, the worst of them all has to be when they come into your room uninvited. Now, there are ways to stop this, of course. You could get a standard doorknob with a lock on it, just like bathroom doors, or you could take it a step further and get a deadbolt. But if you're anything like me, you want your siblings to suffer for trying to invade your privacy. So 2 hours and 3 cans of coffee later, I had the best idea ever. Why not rig a taser to my doorknob? Okay, so the plan here is to rip out the screw here, and then I'm going to run some wires through it. And then once I run some wires through it, the damn thing will focus, I'm going to put some electrical tape under here. Some wires are going to be hanging out, and when someone goes and grabs the doorknob, closing the circuit, they'll get shocked. That is the idea. Let's hope it works. First things first, let's test to make sure this thing freaking works. I have not tested it, so let's see. With the taser testing complete, I can now rig this thing up to my doorknob. And about 15 minutes later, here we are. Now, we wait.
This is gonna be great.
Ah, the sound of sweet, sweet justice.
Yes!
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's kind of a short one. I do have more planned for the future, and I already have another one in the process of making. So hopefully I should get that out soon enough. This was really just, I don't know, a random video. It was kind of a slap together video. It wasn't really special or anything, or I don't know. If you want to see more garbage like this, consider subscribing.